Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force.
Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Tuesday, March 12th, 2024. Now on to today's headlines. Health insurance and hospital giant Highmark Health has laid off 182 employees across the company, with 159 coming from the subsidiary Highmark Inc., 13 from corporate parent company Highmark Health, 8 from enGen, the insurance services subsidiary, and 2 from its Allegheny Health Network subsidiary. Of the 182, 108 of the impacted employees are located in Pennsylvania, with the remainder coming from New York, Delaware, and West Virginia. So far, it is not known what type of roles have been affected or what support the impacted employees will be receiving from Highmark. The Republican National Committee fired dozens of staffers yesterday after letting go approximately 60 staffers earlier this week. The RNC only has around 200 employees on payroll, so it's a massive reduction in force of 30% at this point in time, and no signs that the layoffs will cease soon. Finally, Deere, the manufacturing company focusing on agricultural machinery and lawn care equipment, has submitted a warn notice to the state of Iowa that 150 workers at the plant in Allegheny, near Des Moines, will be laid off in April and May. The workers are all in production and will go on an indefinite layoff over the next 2 months. There are 1,700 total workers at the plant and 1,136 in production, so this is a significant reduction in production capabilities. There were no explicit reasons for the layoff, just that Deere consistently analyzes workforce and productivity levels at their facilities and made an adjustment at this one. Lastly, we are one of the leading global outplacement and career consultancies on the planet. If you are interested in resume assistance, career planning, or coaching assistance for yourself or your staff, please don't hesitate to reach out to me today.